Never put water on grease fire. The most common cause of household fires is an unattended stove or oven. Kitchen fires can cause massive damage and panic. Yet, if you're prepared for it, you can easily put the fire out, lessen the damage from the smoke and flames, and know how to prevent future fires. One of the most common types of kitchen fires is a grease fire, so let's watch the awareness in this video. Grease fires happen when oil or grease gets too hot while on the stove or in the oven. A common sign that your grease is about to catch on fire is if it starts to smoke. Once that happens, act fast. Remove the oil from the heat and turn off the stove. If you were unable to prevent the fire from starting, no matter what, do not put water on the fire, as it will only make the fire spread.
Can you believe this sudden burst of flames is the result of water being thrown on a burning frying pan? The old adage, oil and water don't mix, could not be more true.
You absolutely should never put water on a grease fire. When using water on a grease fire, it actually has an explosive reaction.
These people know just how dangerous it can be.
Okay, we're gonna put some water into some oil.
This YouTube video shows some teens who seem to know the risk, but experiment anyway.
I didn't want this happening.
How dangerous can grease fires be? We took a jar filled with a little bit of water and attached it to a long pole at this test lab in Long Island, New York. Now watch what happens when we pour the water onto the fire. In an instant, the flames shoot up to the ceiling. Fortunately, the ceiling is made of fireproof cinder block. So would you know what to do if you had a grease fire? We got some great advice from Suzanne Turner, Director of Marketing for Kidde Fire Safety Products.
So immediately turn off the fuel. Another thing you can do is also to put the lid on top of the pan, because that will prevent air from getting to the fire.
The safest and most effective way to put out a grease fire is with a fire extinguisher, as depicted in this scene from Everybody Loves Raymond. Ray didn't know what to do.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Fortunately, his TV wife took charge. If you don't have a fire extinguisher handy, you can douse a small grease fire with baking soda, but this can be dangerous.
With baking soda, you're going to have to get really close to the fire to put it out, and that could cause injury.
What about other baking ingredients?
Flour, sugar, salt are big no-nos. Not quite as big a no-no as water, but those also have explosive reactions when you put them on a grease fire.
Whatever you do, remember, don't use water. And there's one more tip.
If you can't extinguish that fire within 8 to 10 seconds, by whatever means you've tried, you need to get out of the house and call the fire department.
How do we put out a grease fire? Please watch this video.
Tuan nampak? Okey, langkah pertama kita minta abang kita. Langkah pertama, jangan panik. Matikan injap dapur gas dahulu. Okey, nampak? Matikan api dapur gas. Kemudian cari kain yang bersesuaian. Bersesuaian dengan kuali yang kita guna. Lembapkan terlebih dahulu. Nampak? Dia lembapkan. Buka. Jarak selamat. Okey, tengok jarak abang kita. Kain tuala di depan. Jangan kita membelakangi kain tuala dia. Okey, selimut. Habiskan. Okey, nampak? Okey, kadang-kadang rumah kan ada genterai. Kita boleh lipat-lipat bagi tepi, lembapkan. Teknik yang salah kalau tuan-tuan macam ni. Nampak tak? Kalau kita tarik, api ikut. Sebab tu, tuala di depan, orang di belakang. Selimut. Nak pastikan api dah padam ke belum, angkat balik dari depan. Jangan tuan-tuan angkat dari belakang. Sebab apa tuan-tuan nampak tadi kan? Api ikut bahan. Kain tualan ni adalah bahan. Sebab tu bila saya letak, api ikut. Sebab dia bahan. Okey. Faham?
Please read detail the infographic. And appreciate for your attention. This video is made for PKAGA. Onshore Testing, Pre-Commissioning and Commissioning Coordination Meeting. Thank you.